Maharashtra 10th SSC English question paper May 2021. Hello friends, I am Vansi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell about the most important, very most important paper. It's a language paper. It's going to be the English 10th class English question paper May 2021. Important questions for May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th board. So friends, I suggest each and every student first to watch the video completely, as it is very important to each and every student. So my dear friends, regarding Maharashtra 10th English paper, there are some concepts, there are some topics in which the students need to concentrate. If the students are able to concentrate on some particular topics in English paper, the first and foremost thing is why we learn English. We learn English to get a very good knowledge, to get a particular language, to be well perfect in the language, English paper. We learn English to speak well in English language. We learn English subject to speak well in English language, so that it will give us a very good respect. English language itself will give us a very good respect for us in getting good marks also. The first important point is, I suggest every student, each and every student, to watch the video completely. This is very important, my dear friends. Watch the video completely. You can get a perfect idea what questions, what topics, what are the main important points, and what are the main weightage of marks, which concepts you need to prepare, which concepts you need to concentrate especially, you will come to know in this video. The first and most important thing is, if you want to know the perfect details and the information regarding English paper, English important questions for May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th class, in the description below this video, you can find the information regarding Maharashtra 10th English paper, important information. You can check the details, I'll write down here. You can check the details in the description. Perfectly. You can check the details in the description below this video. Now, why we learn English especially? Why we learn English? In English, especially in English language, how to get 90% of marks, 90 marks above? How to get a very good marks in English, especially mainly students need to focus, students need to concentrate on mainly grammar part. English subject, English language is itself is a grammar. English, we learn English paper itself for the language itself, for the grammar. If the students are well perfect by understanding the stories, prose, poem, poetry, each and every part in English, in every story. In English paper, it says so many kinds of stories, so many kinds of chapters, and especially in the grammar part. If the students are well perfect in the grammar, you can get a very good marks in the public examinations, in the board exam of Maharashtra 10th, without any doubt. So students need to be well perfect in the grammar especially. If the students are really perfect in the grammar, then it is very easy. Very, even if the student is an average student or a below average student or an intelligent student, any student can get very good 90% of marks. Even only the point is perfect in the grammar. Understand the punctuations, prose, poem, noun, pronoun. We take noun, pronoun. Suppose here some of the important topics we are going to discuss. First, students need to understand what is a tenses. What is a tense? What is a tenses? Suppose we take down do as directed. Do as directed. Write two compound words of your own. Very, very important. Do as directed. Write two compound words of your own. Pick out an infinitive. Find hidden words from the given word. Spot the error and rewrite the correct sentence. Identify the types of sentences. Conversion of tenses. Word register. Change the degree of comparison. Modal auxiliary. Verb and its functions. Simple factual activity. Complex factual activity. These are some of the important concepts. Understand what is do as redirect. If you take a chapter like what is do as directed, what is do as directed, write two compound words of your. What is a compound word? What is the meaning of compound word? Students should understand. What is the compound word? What students should understand. English paper itself is an understanding paper, not for learning, not simply just learning and writing. English paper itself is for understanding the concept and writing, understanding the stories. Students are able to understand the grammar part, then only they can get an idea how to write in the public examinations perfectly, without any doubt. Spot the error and rewrite the correct sentence. You have to rewrite the correct sentence. Next, find hidden words from the given word. What you have to do? You have to find the hidden words from the given word. Identify the types of sentences. Conversion of tenses. What is a conversion of tenses? Students should know what is a tense. What is a conversion of tense? How could you convert the tenses? Word register. What is a word register? Change the degree of comparison. Change the degree of comparison. Modal auxiliary verb. What is a verb? Take a test book. Take the test book. If you get any doubt in the test book, you can go through even the model papers of English paper. Take the test book. Revise once again all the verbs. What is the auxiliary verb? What is a modal auxiliary verb? And what is its functions? What is the functions of modal auxiliary verb? What is simple factual activity? What is a complex factual activity? What is a factual activity? So like this, students should understand what is a verb, what is a tense. Take a test book, revise once. If you are unable to understand, yes, you can clarify with your teacher. But the more and better way is to go through with the model papers. You can get it from the bookshop. You can find the information from the model papers also and revise the model papers. Textbook as well as model papers, you can get a perfect idea. Previous model papers. And what is about? Just practice, practice. Practice more number of times. Practice more number of times. The grammar part you need to practice. This is one of the concepts. And if you want to know the more information regarding Maharashtra 10th English paper for May 2021, in the description below of this video you can find the information perfectly. So finally, I want to say is, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. So finally, once again, Maharashtra 10th English question paper May 2021. Important questions for May 2021. You can find the details, the grammar part, the tenses, the simple factual activity, auxiliary verb, the tenses, the comparison, the conversion of tenses, the information, the grammar part, all the details you can find in the below of this video. You can check the details. Check the details in the description. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.